looking to make sure your important files are available, even when you don't have an internet connection. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make files available offline with OneDrive on your desktop. Whether you just need one file, a whole folder, or your entire drive, you'll walk away knowing how to access what matters most, even without Wi-Fi. Let's jump right in. First things first, you want to open File Explorer. That's the folder icon on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. If you love shortcuts, you can also press the Windows key and the letter E together. This opens up File Explorer quickly, kind of like unlocking a filing cabinet with the push of a button. Once you're in File Explorer, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you should see OneDrive listed, often with a little cloud icon next to it. Click on your OneDrive folder to reveal all the files and folders you've stored in the cloud. Think of this area as your digital attic, but a lot more organized. Now find the specific file or folder you want to make sure is always available offline. Maybe it's an important project folder or a folder of vacation photos you want on hand. Right-click on it. This brings up a menu with several options, and what you're looking for is always keep on this device. Go ahead and click that. By selecting this, you're telling OneDrive, hey, I need this file with me no matter what. Please make a local copy. At this point, OneDrive gets to work downloading the file or folder to your device. You'll notice a status icon will eventually appear. Look for a solid green checkmark inside a white circle. This is your sign that the file is now stored on your computer and ready for offline access. Don't worry if the icon takes a few seconds to update, especially for larger files. It's just syncing in the background. But what if you want all your OneDrive files available offline, not just a few? There's a global setting for that. Here, what you do. Find the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar's notification area, usually at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click it. Now you'll see a small menu. Click the gear icon and then select Settings. Next, head over to the Sync and Backup tab and look for Advanced Settings. You may need to expand this section for more options to appear. Within Advanced Settings, you'll find Files on Demand. Here you have two choices: download all files, which tells OneDrive to keep everything stored locally and available offline. Or free up disk space, which makes files available online only, freeing up space on your device. Choose what works best for your needs and storage situation. Just remember, downloading everything may take time and use quite a bit of disk space, especially with lots of files. Now let's quickly break down those OneDrive status icons you'll see. A blue cloud means the file is only online. You'll need internet to open it. A green checkmark that isn't filled means the file is on your device but could be removed to free up space. The solid green checkmark in a filled circle, that's the golden ticket. It means your file is guaranteed to be available offline no matter what. And that's it. You're now totally in control of which files are always on hand and which stay light in the cloud. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.